MLToys here to talk about our Stage 2 motor gearbox upgrade for Power Wheel brand vehicles using their 7R style gearbox. This is our gearbox that's going to come with the car, and we have everything taken apart here to show you exactly what you're getting with the kit. When the kit comes to you, the motors are already going to be installed, the gears are installed. This is just to help you understand what it is that you're getting. So first of all, you're going to get two of these Phoenix Gearboxes. They look very similar to the stock gearboxes, but they're not. We used a much more rigid plastic for the casing, so it's not flexing when the motors are torquing, which helps prevent the gears from breaking. The nylon filament we use for the nylon gears is a lot denser, which makes them a lot stronger. We've also added more oil channels, greasing channels inside of the gearbox to help keep everything lubricated, which also helps keep the gears from stripping out with them. We do sell individual replacement parts for those gears too. Now the first gear in the gearbox, which is the top one, that's always been the weakest link, and as we start adding more power, one of the things we like to do is change them to hardened steel, which is going to be what comes in your Stage 2 kit. The hardened steel gears have a lifetime warranty. They should last you forever. They run on ball bearings to help reduce friction and heat and make the car faster. So that's a nice plus with them. If you're going to upgrade down the road, we definitely recommend these 18 volt with lithium. You don't necessarily need them with 12 volt, depends on how hard your kids are on the car. But if down the road you think you might even want more power, it's a lot cheaper to just get these now, and it'll make the upgrade later on cheaper for you. The motors that this kit comes with in the Stage 2 are our Performance 550 motors. These are much faster motors in the car. And they also have better cooling. They're going to have hardened steel pinion gears attached to them. These motors are also designed to be faster at not only 12 volt, but they can run on 18 volt SLA or 18 to 20 volt lithium batteries, which the stock motors cannot do. They will burn out on the higher voltages. And then the kit's going to come with these quick change motor connectors, which makes it very easy to take the motors in and out in the future if you're doing maintenance or upgrading to one of the higher kits later on. Another innovation from MLToys.